they stopped in Veracruz, and then they came to Mexico. They settled in downtown, of course, Calle Jesus Maria. All the Jews live in Jesus Maria. And the stores were in La Lagunilla, which was like a market. They had a market there. And they didn't have stores. They have it's called Cajones. They put a stall or something, and they usually sell ties or socks or handkerchief. And they were peddlers. They went from one town to the other, and they always sell in Abonos. I don't know how you say I don't know how you call it, that you pay an amount and next month another. So that's the main business.